This is 5.11 Taclite Pro pant. I'm going to put it on and to see how it fits, how it looks, and how it's function. The color is gray. And first impression, this is a good quality pants. And from all the stitches, or you feel it, the material is kind of a little bit stiff. These parts, they're like a triple layers, I think. It feels like very thick, and plus the Velcro. The Velcro feels solid. I bought this one mainly for work. I think this is a pretty good working pants. It got lots of pockets, right? You can put your stuff on it. Oh, there's another button. Let's check the inside. Pretty good. This is 65% of polyester and 35% of the cotton. They got all different sizes. And this is the back. They got very big pocket and it's easy to grab things. The another thing I need to mention that they put the back and the knitting part double layer. I think this is a very good design because we can use the knee, the hip a lot. So this is double layer, great. All right, let me put this on to see how it looks. So this is how it looks of these trousers. I'm 5'7". This is 32 by 30, and I feel like this size is true, and also it's kind of expandable. This on the belt. So even though you don't need a belt, but this is still kind of, you got some room. And after you put the belt on, it's super tight. And now I feel like it's not, if you hang something, if your trousers, putting a lot of stuff on it, should be no problem. And let me do some kind of gestures. You see, that's very easy. There's lots of room. You can expand, no matter knee or kind of doing any kind of thing that you need to do, no matter sometime you're working, and it's very comfortable. And also that even though you on your knees, you're still accessible to all these big pockets because the opening is very huge, you see, from the back and here, right? All kinds of positioned, all these pockets, very convenient. And also this is double padding, and also the hips. You see, this is the from the back. I don't think this looks baggy, but it's kind of like pretty loose fit. It's not like super tight, stylish thing. And I think this is a very good working pants. And I think the quality, material is very good, worth a try. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.